Once you've wrapped up the accounts page, head over to the analytics page and dive into the setups database. This is where you'll define your strategies and setups. If your strategies have detailed steps or states, make sure to check out the Rules tab and list out all the rules you need to follow. These will become your go-to reference later when you're logging trades from the logging page. Plus, it'll help you track how well you're sticking to your rules on the execution page. Next, don't skip the sessions database. Here, you can log specific time intervals or trading sessions, which you'll be able to select later while logging trades. It's a small step, but super useful. Finally, jump into the ticker database. Add the symbols you'll be trading and include key details like their category, industry, or even their icons. For futures trades, I've already entered the tick size and value for some of the most commonly traded symbols. If you're trading something else, feel free to add new ones or non-future symbols. Just tag them correctly by type. No need to include tick sizes or values for non-future symbols. One last thing. The template identifies trades based on the account type you select. So, double-check that your account tags are accurate on the accounts page. It's a small detail, but it makes all the difference.